Hello, my name is Jimmy and welcome to another episode of Can It Family. Today I have the 2022 Acura MDX and we're gonna see if it can fit a Ling, a Foonf, as well as a Flow. That's right, 3 across. Let's take a look here. And welcome to the second row of the MDX. As you can see, I definitely have 3 seats in here. I have the base for the Ling on the driver's side. I got the Flow right in the center, and then I got the Foonf here on the passenger side. It certainly fits 3 across. There's 3 sets of lower anchors within this vehicle, and they're all found here within the second row. Yes, there is a third row, but no lower anchors there. In terms of upper anchors, there's 3 across the middle row here, and 2 within the third row. The seats, while they definitely do fit in the second row here, I wasn't able to put them in the third row. There just isn't enough space, no matter if I had it forward or rearward facing. So that's something to keep in mind. Boosters might fit, but it is definitely cramped back there. But let me show you exactly how much space there is to put the Ling inside the vehicle. Putting the Ling in is not difficult. While the doors don't open as wide as I may like, there's still plenty of space just on the top as well as on the bottom to really slide the Ling inside. Let me show you just how much space there is in the back. Space is about what you expect in a 3-row SUV behind the third row. As you can see, I have my baby Zen Yo-Yo, fits perfectly in here. However, if you have the third row up, it'll be hard to fit a full-size stroller. But you can certainly fold the seats down. It's nice and easy with just one latch. And there's a little bit of space underneath the floor here as well. And that's how the Baby Zen Yo-Yo, a Clek Liing, Clek Foonf, as well as a Clek Flow fits inside the 2022 Acura MDX. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section down below, and I'll be sure to get back to you. Thanks, and have a great day.